Alright, I was getting kind of frustrated trying to take the faucet off of the sink. So I went and bought one of these things. Now, I hope this comes with an encyclopedia that tells you how to use the thing, because on the back side of this package there is a list of things that it does that is gigantic. I mean, I think it does everything except get your mother-in-law to move out. So the plan is to get this under there. Step 1, get it out of the package. Success. Step 2, figure out how. Can I just shove it under there and see what it does? Oh, I've been trying to use that closet wrench, which people tell me is a basin wrench. Well, I know you can't see it, but that's only fair. I can't see it either. Oh, look, I can see it. Huh. Now, it's going to take more than just a casual attempt to get under there with this thing. And I don't even know if I have it configured correctly yet. More later.